are going live. Oh yes guys, oh yes, welcome to yet another episode. And today, as you can see, look at the chart guys. I mean, look at the chart, it's insane. We are right now at 62. Yesterday we were like at 50 something. I don't even remember. But this market, man, it is pumping so hard, it's pumping so significantly. I don't even think the resistance even mattered. You know that last few days we discussed that there is a 50-50 chance of some kind of resistance because there is massive resistance here from 2021. Guys, I think we just smashed it. We smashed it so hard because Bitcoin is really scarce right now. There is no OTC coins. That's the thing. There are no coins OTC to buy. So all ETF buy pressure goes straight into the order book, pumps up the price. That's the only way to get Bitcoin right now. And so what we're seeing is just smashing through this resistance, but the week is not closed. So you see we have 3 days still in the week. The week is not closed, so let's not open the champagne too early. I would still say that this resistance is 50-50 here that we're witnessing right now. But listen, Bitcoin is a beast. It's a massive beast. It wouldn't surprise me if we just pumped like 70k tomorrow. It wouldn't surprise me. But just to keep expectations in check and to mentally be prepared, at some point there will be a pullback. Short-term pullback will happen at some point. Will it be now because there is this resistance? Who the hell knows? It's looking so strong. Likely it's gonna even continue going up, but still it is a possibility and we need to wait for the week to close. So let's do that. And you know, even in the bull market, look here. Just so you guys are mentally prepared, because I know so many people, they're like, ah, my God, you know, Bitcoin dumps 2%. People are already rising. Hey, Ivan, what happened? Yesterday, Bitcoin went to 60. It's insane. It went to 64 yesterday, which is insane. Then it dumped to 62. People are like, hey, Ivan, what happened? What happened? We're dumping. Bitcoin dumping so fast. What happened? Should have been bearish, like always. So just to keep expectations in check, look here. Here in the bull market of 2021, we dumped 30% in the middle of the move. So it can happen. So you guys need to be prepared. Like at some point it will happen. And then I don't want you to lose your bag and panic sell. Look here. Here we did dump 17%. So as long, how do you know when not to sell? When to sustain the positions in a massive dump, which can be up to 30% in a bull market? You use the money line. It's true for Bitcoin. It's true for all coins. Because when you have the money line, you know that we are in a bullish trend. You know that all pullbacks don't really matter. That's how, by the way, on this channel we were so confident that we're gonna just keep pumping and pumping and pumping and pumping. Many people said that 60k is a lunatic dream. When we're speaking about these targets a few weeks back, you remember people were saying it's lunatic. Ivan, you're lunatic. They were spitting in our faces, basically in the comment section. People were spitting in my face left and right. Now what has happened? We are at 62.8. We were at 64 yesterday. So the question is, how was I able to be so certain, so confident? Because I have a system in place. I'm not working off emotions. Most people work off emotions. When we are at 40k and you tell them, hey, we're gonna go to 60 in 5 weeks, in 2 weeks, in 3 weeks, they're gonna tell you, you're insane. It's not gonna happen. You're a moon boy, because they don't have any system. They work based on their gut feeling, and their gut feeling is wrecking them day in and day out, because the gut feeling tells you that we pumped so much, it's gotta be a pullback now. Now there's gotta be a pullback for sure, and then there's no pullback. There is no pullback. Why? Because the trend is so bullish. The trend is extremely bullish. So that's exactly how you play it. The same is, by the way, true for altcoins. The same is true for altcoins. You need to have a system. You need to have tools like the mind line. Otherwise, you're completely on your own with your emotions. Anyway, we're gonna be discussing this. We have massive news. We have normies coming back in. We have Marquise Brownlee. Remember Bitcoin. We have all kinds of normies airdropping. We have Jim Cramer coping. This is real cope, guys. Look here, Jim Cramer coping so hard that Bitcoin is pumping. He's asking what Bitcoin has ever done for society. Listen to this.
There's underperformance, okay? Okay, it's depressing.
I don't want to.
What has Bitcoin ever done for mankind? Do you ever? Are you on a Bitcoin phone? Watson, come here. I need you. I mean, what is it?
Well, coming up, United
about
Healthcare
Revolve?
is apparently
There's underperformance, okay?
Oh my god, he's not happy, guys. He has been bearish Bitcoin and he's not happy. Look at his face. He's like, what has Bitcoin done for mankind? I mean, look at him. This is the bears. This is people on the sidelines who are not in Bitcoin right now, who are fully wrecked right now, especially the shorters. And just looking, I mean, look at the expression. Looking at Bitcoin in disgust, kind of disgusted at himself for not being in the market. And it's gonna happen more and more and more. And the thing is, many bears are still bearish. You look at Capo, he's still bearish. Capo is still saying that we're gonna go down and that this is still, you know, as expected, basically, okay? Bitcoin couldn't break 64k as expected and is now dropping just as expected. 12k is next. Well, I mean, basically, this is what Capo is saying in his Telegram. So the bears are still bearish, which means that probably there is a lot of room to the upside. When you have the bears still not giving up, it means that they still will contribute with their buy pressure when they become bullish. So that's good. When all the bears have become bulls, then likely it's gonna be like 200k Bitcoin, and we're gonna go down. It's gonna be a bear market. So the same thing, by the way, is vice versa. In the bear market, when all the bulls have become bears, that's the end of the bear market. Then we'll pump. So anyway, guys, a lot to discuss, a lot to speak about. Welcome everyone who is watching live. Let me know how you're doing this fantastic Thursday. We're pumping like hell, guys. I can tell you, we're pumping like hell. And I am so happy to bring to you also our Easter deal for Morales Money. If you use the link below, you sign up, you get 75% off on Morales Money. You get our private Discord group. You get the money line, which is very important for altcoins, especially as we're entering this massive altcoin run. You need to have the money line in TradingView so you can analyze altcoins. You can be early in the bullish trends and then exit when the bullish trends ends and we become bearish. It's very important. And also, of course, you get access to exclusive IDOs. We do one every few weeks, and we're gonna have exclusive IDOs also in collaboration with other launchpads coming soon as well. That's going to be news. We have a newsletter every month. We have a weekly alpha live streams as well. So anyway, use the link below, sign up. This is the last chance before this market really explodes, because this market, guys, look at this. It is really destined to go extremely high right now. But most people will again, sadly, lose all of their gains or potentially not even make gains. Why? Because again, gut feeling will wreck you. If you don't have the community, you don't have the tools, you don't have the education, you have only your gut feeling and like a million YouTube videos that you watch from different influencers. You know, this influencer is bullish, that one is bearish. That's how most people get wrecked. They watch me, then they watch some kind of bearfluencer, and their brain is a salad of bullish ideas, bearish ideas, no consistency, nothing that is consistent, just, you know, picking a bit of this, a bit of that, and that's how you get wrecked, okay? That's how you get wrecked. You need to follow a few influencers, not all of them, and you need to stick with the strategy or have your own strategy, because otherwise, again, most people, they get wrecked by following everyone, because YouTube feeds you down your throat more and more videos, more and more different views on the market, more and more. And this is the danger. You might think it's great to watch many and get different perspective, but you get wrecked by doing that. Bearfluencers have wrecked most amount of people, and especially the ones that are really wrecked, they're actually not the ones that have been bearish all along. Those that are really wrecked are those that one day bullish, one day bearish. Today you watch me, you get my perspective, my strategy, and the same day you watch a bear influencer, and then like you do a bit of both. That's the express train to wreck city. Anyway, using the link below, you get our strategy, you get our community, you get everything you need to succeed in this market, and look forward to seeing you in our private group. On this note, guys, let's go. Big shout out, by the way, to Goose